It is new project day in the Grizzly Glass House, and this one might look familiar to you if you've been following along for a bit. I finally have time to work Delphi's Bevel kit into a full-on project. Since I've never worked with beveled glass before, there will be a few things I need to figure out, such as how I'm going to fit zinc border onto this project, because the bevels are wider than normal stained glass. I'm assuming there's wider zinc cane out there, but if I went with it, then parts of the frame would be too loose. But if I'm being honest with myself, that sounds like a future Grizzly problem. I don't know how long this project is going to take me, actually. There's definitely fewer pieces than my normal projects, and most of the glass pieces are beveled, so I don't need to cut them, which is a huge time saver. In true Grizzly fashion, we're gonna switch things up a bit with the color scheme. Those green emerald glass pieces that come with the kit, yeah, they gotta go, because they just don't match what I have planned. Huge shout out time to Alycia on TikTok for creating this gorgeous Flow Blue-esque stained glass. She was gracious enough to make and sell me a few sheets of this glass while she was creating her fantastic stained glass Zodiac matchboxes. I highly recommend checking out her page, giving her a follow if you haven't already, and supporting her cool art. We discussed a few things about working with this glass, such as cutting the backside and being careful while grinding because of how the blue powder design is kilned onto the glass. So we're gonna play with some clear spray paint and hopefully avoid all of that mess entirely. This is my first time working with this glass, obviously, so we're about to find out what we can and cannot do. I can't wait though to get this put together and replace those green emerald pieces with some blue stained glass to match the color scheme. Apparently I'm a hoarder of blue stained glass, so we need to find the right shade. I'm thinking we avoid textured glass though, because I do not want to detract the focus from the Alycia glass. Yep, official name and totally deserving. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass art get created one process at a time. I don't always know what I'm doing, but I'm open to learning, open to suggestions, and I'm honest when I'm completely winging it for the sake of learning new things.